Listen, I don't have one with me right now. I'm gonna have to go get you one. I don't have one. I don't have one on me. I'm gonna have to go get it. You're gonna have to wait for me. Okay, let me water the greenhouse first. All right, and then I'll go get you one. I don't have one right now. I know, I gotta go. I don't have one. Okay, I gotta go get one. You're gonna have to give me a minute. I know, I don't have one. Look, I'm right here. I don't have one. Okay, it'll be just a minute. I gotta water the greenhouse. It's thirsty. You're gonna have to wait. I know, you're gonna have to, all right. Oh, okay, listen, can I do this? Can I do this? Let me water the greenhouse. Okay, Mama? Let me do it. This squirrel is still waiting on me. I know, just give me a minute. Okay, just a minute. All right? Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, you wanna walk with me back to the house? If you do, you gotta watch out for the doggies though, you promise? I don't think they're gonna be out here. Almost done, all right. I don't see her. Did you wait for me? Where are you? Look. See where she is. I see you. Come on. Ready? I have one right here. Are you coming? Come get it. Here. Good job. Good job. I also have a new corn cob for you. Eat. Okay. Okay, there's some corn up here. And I also have one more peanut if you want it. Gotta go to work though, so we'll probably just leave them right here. Okay. Oh, look right here. Look. Right there. Good job. Have a nice day, and I will see you after work.